Welcome. Today we are going to explain about the Church Reformation. Church Reformation occurred because of criticism of the practice of the Roman Catholic Church, such as the sale of indulgence, protection of power, and the inconsistency of teachings with the Bible, which encouraged the emergence of reform movement with figures such as Martin Luther.
So, the Reformation Church, carried out by Martin Luther, was centered on Christians who wanted to be saved from the deviant teachings of the Catholic Church. So, when and where did the Reformation Church happen? The Reformation first emerged in Europe in the 15th century, marked by Martin Luther's posting of the 95 Theses on October 31, 15, and 17. This event marked the beginning of the Protestant Reformation.
Church Reformation occurred because of criticism of the practice of the Roman Catholic Church, such as the sale of indulgence, protection of power, and the inconsistency of teachings with the Bible, which encouraged the emergence of reform movement with figures such as Martin Luther.
While Lateranus was largely confined to parts Germany and to Scandinavia, Calvinists spread into Ireland, Scotland, France, and the Netherlands, the English-speaking colonies of North America, and parts of Germany and Central Europe.
And now, we are going to see the development of the Reformation Church from the past to the present. The first is early Reformation period. Early Reformation church often used modified Catholic church buildings, removing symbols that were considered superfluous. The architecture was simple, focusing on the pulpit and communion table. Worship then centers on the preaching and sacrament. Congregational singing without musical instrument in some traditions. Very structured order of worship based on regulative principle.
Emphasizing teaching and worship function begin to use hymns, works of Isaac Watts, Charles Wesley, revivalism emerged which influenced worship styles to become more emotional in some denominations.
In modern era, many Reformation churches built buildings with contemporary designs using technology or sound system or projectors. Some use multifunctional spaces such as auditoriums over traditional forms. Some churches maintain the classic order to worship or formosa, while others adopt contemporary styles, modern praise band worship.
The orientation of it all is drastic change for the better in social, political, or religious fields in a society or country, and to return the function of Catholic teaching to the truth that is accordance with the teaching of Christ. Effort to improve and return to the straight teachings of the Church, the reform movements in the form of critical attitude towards the definition carried out by the Catholic Church at that time, especially the sale of letters of forgiveness of sins called afflatus letters and the religion.
This is the end of our presentation of the Reformation Church. Please forgive us if there are any wrong words. And thank you for listening till the end. God bless you.